We're finally getting a flagship smartphone from Honor. It is the Honor Magic 7 Pro and it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite. But the best feature of this phone is the AI enhancements as well as its camera. You get the usual AI features such as Magic Eraser, but also the camera quality is bound to be really good. It also features enhanced telephoto capabilities, and this allows you to take sharper and more stable photos and videos from afar. So, if you're gonna go to a concert or if you just want to take photos and recordings of faraway objects such as the moon, then you're really gonna want to check out this phone. The price is still a mystery, but based on the pattern of previous releases such as the Honor Magic 6 Pro, we feel that this phone should go for around the 50 to 60,000 peso price range, but it will be launching on April 10. So in the meantime, if you have any questions about this phone, just drop them in the comments section and stay tuned for the launch, which will be happening on April 10. For more information on the Honor Magic 7 Pro and for more videos like this, head over to our YouTube channel at TechKuya, and we'll see you guys there.